Hello friends, my name is Silva Nahabedian and I'm the Director of Education for Dazzle Dry. You have probably been hearing about this nail polish system and are wondering what all the hype is about. Dazzle Dry is a unique and proprietary formula utilizing a signature 4-step system plus Revive. We manufacture our products in-house to the highest quality and safety standards. Dazzle Dry is vegan, it's hypoallergenic, it's non-toxic, it's non-yellowing, and these are all very important features. However, in my opinion, the best thing about Dazzle Dry is that it air dries in 5 minutes. You heard me correct, 5 minutes. It checks all of the boxes for me, and I know it will for you too. It is smudge-proof 1 minute after applying top coat and completely dry in 5 minutes with no UV or no LED curing. That is the main reason why this system is so unique. In addition to the fact that it air dries super fast, it's also very long-lasting. If proper instructions are followed, you will get chip-free wear from 7 to 14 days on the fingernails and a month or more on the toes.